Hey friends, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of stepping outside picking fresh veggies and serving them on your dinner table, this video is for you today. We're diving into how to harvest healthy food from your small garden. You don't need acres of farmland to enjoy a homegrown lifestyle. All it takes is smart planting, care, and a little love for your plants. For more guides, tips, and resources, check out www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted spot for small space farming inspiration. The power of small gardens. A small garden may look modest, but it can provide an incredible amount of food with the right approach. Your backyard balcony or patio can supply fresh vegetables, herbs, and even fruits. Harvesting from your own garden isn't just about saving money, it's about knowing where your food comes from and filling your meals with the freshest flavors possible. Harvesting tip 1. Timing is everything. One of the secrets to healthy harvesting is picking crops at the right time. Lettuce and spinach taste best when leaves are tender and young. Tomatoes are richest in flavor when they've turned bright red and slightly soft. Carrots? Harvest them when they're about as thick as your thumb. Harvesting too late can make food bitter or tough, while harvesting early ensures peak nutrition. Harvesting tip 2. Cut, don't pull. When it comes to leafy greens like kale, lettuce, or herbs, the hack is simple: cut, don't pull. Use scissors or a sharp knife to snip outer leaves, letting the plant keep growing. This cut and come again method means one plant gives you multiple harvests instead of just one. Harvesting tip 3. Pick regularly. Here's a simple rule: the more you harvest, the more your garden produces. Plants like cucumbers, beans, and zucchini thrive when picked often. Leaving fruits too long signals the plant to slow down production. Regular harvesting keeps plants healthy. Harvesting tip 4. Early morning advantage. Did you know the best time to harvest is early morning? That's when plants are full of moisture and flavor. Herbs like basil and mint are especially aromatic in the morning sun, giving you peak taste and nutrition. Harvesting tip 5. Wash and store smartly. After harvesting, handle your crops with care. Wash gently, pat dry, and store them properly. Leafy greens last longer wrapped in a damp towel inside the fridge. Root veggies like carrots and beets do better in breathable bags. Proper storage ensures nothing goes to waste. Harvesting tip 6. Don't forget herbs and microgreens. Your small garden is also a treasure trove for herbs and microgreens. Snip basil, cilantro, or parsley right before cooking for a burst of flavor. Microgreens can be harvested in just 10 to 14 days and add a nutrient punch to salads and smoothies. For more practical tips on harvesting and gardening, head over to www.mydagrifarm.com, a space packed with ideas to help you grow and eat fresh no matter the size of your garden. Harvesting tip 7. Root crops and hidden treasures. Root vegetables like potatoes, garlic, and onions hide their harvest underground. Check for signs: yellowing leaves usually mean it's time. Gently loosen the soil with a fork, pull carefully, and enjoy the satisfaction of unearthing your homegrown treasures. Harvesting tip 8. Preserve the extras. Sometimes your garden gives you more than you can eat right away. Don't worry, that's a blessing. Freeze extra beans, pickle cucumbers, or dry herbs for later use. Preserving your harvest keeps the joy of your garden alive all year round. Harvesting tip 9. Taste as you go. One of the most magical parts of small gardening is tasting food straight from the plant. Pick a strawberry and eat it fresh, snap a pea pod, or munch on a leaf of arugula. Homegrown produce doesn't just fill your plate, it feeds your soul. Harvesting healthy food from your small garden is about more than just eating. It's about living closer to nature, being mindful of what goes into your body, and experiencing the joy of self-reliance. Every tomato, herb, or handful of greens you pick is proof that small gardens make a big impact. Remember, your small garden isn't limited, it's powerful. With every harvest, you're creating fresh meals, healthier habits, and a deeper connection with the earth. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to enjoy every step of growing, picking, and eating your own food. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more backyard gardening insights, and share it with friends who want to start their own food growing journey. Until next time, happy harvesting and enjoy your homegrown goodness.